Hi, my name is Michael and I'm a product engineer here at Langfuse. I'm welcoming you to day 5 of our launch week. Today, I'm sharing a new feature with you, score analytics. In Langfuse, scores are quality metrics that you attach to traces. They help you answer questions such as, was this response helpful or did my agent hallucinate? The real question is, how do you get reliable scores at scale? In Langfuse Cloud, there are different ways to create scores. You can use human annotators, or as you scale, you might start to introduce LLM-as-a-judge. You can also use our API to create them outside of Langfuse and then attach them to traces. No matter how you add scores, the same question remains. Are your scores actually any good? You might want to find out whether your human annotator scores and those of LLM judges actually align, or whether Gemini 2.5 and GPT-5 create the same quality of scores. To answer these questions, we are launching Score Analytics. Here's how it works. You first select the time range you're interested in and then what you want to analyze. Traces, observations, sessions, or dataset run items. And then you select your first score. You immediately see how these values are distributed and how they trend over time. And now it's time to add the second score to compare it. You can now see both of them and compare how they trend over time or how they match up in the distribution. The time series and distribution charts help you understand the shape of your scores and how they change. But if you want to compare alignment, you actually need to look at correlation. Say GPT-4 versus Gemini as LLM-as-a-judge. You want to understand whether they move together. The heat map shows the correlation density. And we also calculate statistical metrics for you, such as the Pearson correlation. A value closer to 1 means strong agreement between the two judges, so that's good. This also works similar for categorical and Boolean scores. For example, if you have a Boolean score such as has tool and another one such as has hallucination, in the heat map, we can see the diagonal running from top right to bottom left. This indicates negative correlation. At Langfuse, the community is really at the core of how we build our product, so we are excited for your feedback and how to improve it.